Good morning, folks. My trap check day is not until tomorrow. It is snowing really good here. All this snow on the truck wasn't here about 5 minutes ago. In fact, we just swept the porch off, and it's covered again too. So, legally, keep myself out of trouble, I have to check my traps every 72 hours or sooner. And I think I better get up there and do it right now because, ouch. If it snows a foot today, might take me a little while to figure out how to get up there. And if I check them today, it stretches me out 72 hours instead of 24 hours. So anyhow, off we go. Cedar got me this a couple of years ago from Christmas. It's pretty neat. I wish it was a little bit longer. It's maybe a foot long, but it's my favorite one. Kind of cool. Oh yeah, it's coming down really hard now. Better get this out of the way, I think. Big change from yesterday. Worst thing is that this snowflakes are melting when they hit my window and sticking, freezing. Hopefully it doesn't get too slick on the road, but I think I'm okay if I make a quick trip out of it, hopefully. The snow is not deep, but if it keeps up, it might get that way. If it does, could have troubles driving up here. Have to dig out the snow dog or something. A long walk to walk up here. And Jeff, he's had his four-wheeler tied up all winter. Last year he loaned me that, and that was really nice to have, but they've been using it this winter, so it's just as well. I don't like borrowing things. If I drive off the edge over here with my truck, bad enough, but it's my truck. You know, if I drive off of the edge with his side-by-side, man, I don't have money enough to replace it for him. So I don't like to borrow if I can help it. Dad always said, laugh when you borrow, you'll cry when you pay. One thing about a day like this, if I do happen to find some tracks, they would have been very, very fresh. I think. Idaho Hillbilly sent me a little video clip on the phone today of his place. And looks to me like they got near a foot, 7-8 inches at the minimum. So this could put down quite a bit of snow. He's on the other side of the mountain from us, and most of the snow, I think, hits the mountain peaks and drops it on his side. We just get the leftovers. So it's really hard to know how much we're going to get. It's supposed to do this here now for several days though, so this could get a bad deal. Well, I made it up here. Snowflakes are still coming down pretty good, but they're a little smaller than they were. My first two snares, you can see, are empty. There's one right there. And then right there. the bottom of the other loop. Now, I don't want to walk in that same trail, because the trail I have those set in have this, you know, I'd have to move them out of the way or walk around them. So I'll go off to the side up this other direction here. And the third one is empty. Fourth one is empty. Let's see. Number 5 is empty. Knew it was here someplace. Okay, there's number 6. That's the thing, these things blend in so well. I know where they're at, and I still have trouble finding them. Okay, so I got one more over here is all. I was going to put out some more and bring up some more bait, but I wasn't planning on coming up here. I got more snares. I could put out some more, but I don't have any more bait. Ouch. Okay, my beaver. It should be right there under the snow. I wired it off to a tree. Well, go on down here, check that last one, and head on home. Well, no wolves today. Maybe next check. Hopefully, it's quit snowing now pretty much, a little bit lightly. See what this storm's gonna do. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time. My battery light is blinking red. It means I'm about gone anyway.